Now, there was a ceasefire between India and Pakistan that led to quite a bit of calm along the line of control. But of late, there have been a number of reports coming in of terror activity again along the LOC. Terrorists from the Pakistan side trying to infiltrate into India. Our alert forces have been ensuring that they thwart any infiltration bid. Here's a ground report on the latest updates from the line of control.
The big guns have fallen silent on the line of control. A semblance of the peace prevails. The calm at the otherwise blood-soaked boundary returned after India and Pakistan reaffirmed their commitment to the 2003 ceasefire agreement in February this year. However, Indian Army has not lowered its guard as the threat of terror is still lurking. Soon after the ceasefire, there were reports that some of the terror hideouts and launch pads that were discontinued are once again active.
Infiltration attempts from Pakistan-occupied Kashmir still continue. Terror infrastructure continues to blossom across the LOC, and what we are witnessing here at one of the forward locations is a counter-infiltration patrol. This patrol party is looking out for whatever clues they can get, pick up whatever details of any attempts at infiltration.
The vigil has been stepped up in the aftermath of the drone attack on the Jammu Air Base.
Some of the areas, the Pakistani posts are barely 100 to 150 meters away from the Indian Army posts. While the Indian Army maintains the vigil, the next big challenge for the forces along the LOC are drone attacks. After the attack in Jammu using a drone, the Indian Army is making efforts to ramp up its anti-drone capabilities.
For decades, locals living along the line of control in Poonch have bore the brunt of border firing, shelling and terror attacks. The ceasefire has brought them relief.
अभी तो चलो ठीक है, तकरीबन ये जिस टाइम से जंगबंदी हुई है ठीक है, थोड़े आराम से बच्चे भी रह रहे हैं, हम भी रह रहे हैं.
While peace has returned for now, past memories continue to haunt local citizens. 21-year-old Shukat Muhammad was part of a 10-member group working as army porters. He lost his leg in an attack by the Border Action Team of the Pakistan Army and terrorists in January 2020.
उन्होंने हमारे ऊपर हमला किया, जिसमें से 2 पोर्टर शहीद हो गए, तो मेरी टांग में उन्होंने गोली मार दी. मेरे को इंजर्ड कर दिया, एक बंदे की वहां से गर्दन काट के ले गए वो.
Naseem Akhtar's story is horrifying. Her husband was beheaded by the terrorists supported by Pakistan.
आगे पाकिस्तान वाले थे, उनका गला काट के ले चले. तो अब मेरे छोटे-छोटे बच्चे हैं, उनको रोजी रोटी कौन देने वाला?
Civilians living along the line of control have faced the brunt of the violence here for years. And even though there is some relief in the last few months after the ceasefire agreement, they remain extremely uncertain about their future, especially the future of these young kids who've already lost many of their loved ones in the recent past. In fact, some of them have also lost their fathers who were porters with the Indian Army because they were targeted by the Pakistani Army and the terrorists while working with the Indian Army. With camera person Satya from the line of control, Abhishek Bhalla for India Today.